Okay, let's go over the questions. So question 1 of the consumer testing lab is, what is the independent variable in this experiment? So there's a couple different ways to look at your variables. If you recall from this lab, an independent variable is what you are testing. So if you look at your data table, were we testing paper towels or water absorbed? So that's what you should figure out. Question 2 is, what is the dependent variable? A dependent variable is the result of what was tested. So again, looking at your data table, you have paper towel and water absorbed. Both of those things are variables. One will be independent, one will be dependent. Question 3 is, list 3 controls from this experiment. Think about the things that were kept the same. Go back through and look at the directions. Look at how much time you needed to use for the water, how much time you waited, how much water did you start with, how the size of your paper towels, etc. Number 4, did you have any qualitative observations? Recall that qualitative observations deal with your senses. In this lab, we were using the sense of touch and visual. How could you describe things? Question 5, identify one quantitative observation. Remember that quantitative observations use an amount, so think numbers. And then number 6, in your own words, describe the scientific method. I do not want the steps to the scientific method. I want you to tell me what the scientific method is. So don't give me that you evaluate, you assess, you follow a procedure. Those are steps to the scientific method. I want to know what the scientific method is. When you are done, submit through Schoology.